My name is Carl Ekdahl. I'm a furniture designer originally from Sweden, but now based in Cornwall in the southwest corner of the United Kingdom. I do bespoke furniture to commission, as well as limited run small batches of my own designs. I have used Shaper 3D as my main CAD platform for about 3 years now. One of the reasons I was looking at different CAD packages was because I've added a CNC router, a handheld CNC router to my arsenal of tools. And I knew that it was probably going to be beneficial to increase the use of CAD in my workflow. One of the first realizations compared to my old software, Shaper 3D, was less of generating tons and tons of drawings and then carefully extrude bodies when you knew exactly where you're going. Something which meant that it was really quite hard to change and update the model if it developed. Now suddenly I found myself, I was sketching in 3D almost and then generating the drawings once I knew where I wanted to be. And that meant that the models kind of lived and developed with me throughout the process of designing and prototyping. Another fantastic thing I think with the iPad is that for me, working in Shaper 3D with a pencil and my hands on the screen is almost like having two mouse pointers in your CAD software, and I find myself working a lot faster than I would on a traditional desktop piece of software. But when they released the desktop version of it, or the Mac version, there are certain things that a computer is really good at, whether that be exchange with other software that might not be available on the iPad, or having a numeric keypad on the keyboard to put in a lot of numbers on very complex drawings. So thanks to the combination of the multi-platform solution that I have now, combined with a beta of sync, the ability that files sync seamlessly between my iPad and my computer, means that I can work at a device that suits the task at hand the best. But there are some things that the traditional computer, desktop, whatever you want to call it, is great at. One of them, of course, being the bigger screen real estate, which is a great thing if you work on big, complex models. Also, there's, of course, a better exchange with other software that might not be as good or even exist on the iPad, and that's much easier done on the desktop. So for Shaper 3D and now being multi-platform, I think the flow is so much better now thanks to the sync functionality, knowing that my designs are updated across both devices. That combined with a commonality interface makes it really quite seamless for me to jump between the two platforms as and when I need it. To generalize, I find myself doing most of the creative work, the design work on the iPad, and then move over to the desktop when it comes to more revisions and detailed updates or tweaks to existing designs. Since changing over to Shaper 3D, really, not only has my processes got more accurate, my CAD work, frankly, more enjoyable, but it's also allowed me to go in directions that I probably wouldn't have gone into before, and make things that I might not have made.